Hello everyone, welcome to Stock Market Freak. Today we will discuss about the new margin rules by the NSE for trading FNO. So the market margins have decreased for hedged positions. So let's see how does it work out. So as we can see, Bank Nifty is trading at 21,177. This is the closing price of today. Okay, so we can go to the site of this broker and go on margin calculator. After you go on margin calculator, click on FNO. So let's say I want to buy futures of Bank Nifty. So I take this Bank Nifty here and I just buy this. So as you can see, I require a margin of rupees 99,394. Okay, so let's cover this position by buying a put option. So I just go here on options, go to put option, and I put a strike price of let's say 22,000 and I buy that option. So as you can see, the margin has decreased to 8,474. So there is a margin benefit of 90,920. Okay, so what I did, I bought a Bank Nifty futures naked and then I covered the position by buying a put option. Okay, so let's calculate how much percentage benefit we are getting. So to do this, we are requiring now 8,474. So we can divide it by the 99,394. And multiplied by 100. So as you can see, we are just requiring 8.52% of what was required earlier. So 100 minus 8.52. Okay, so you are getting about 91.42% of margin benefit. Obviously this will differ in terms of the price and the strike price of the option which you are buying, which is away from the spot price. So let's see how these margins work out in option strategies. So I just reset it and let's say I think Nifty will not go above 21,500 level. So what I will do is sell a call option at 21,500. So the premium receivable is 11,809 and I require a margin of 87,311 to sell this call option. So to protect this position or hedge this position, I am going to buy a call option which would be 100 rupees away from this current call option which I have sold, which would be 21,600. So I just buy this option and you can see here I am getting a margin benefit of 76,995. So 87,311 which was earlier required, now you just need 10,316 to carry out these positions. So this is the benefit you are getting by hedging the options and futures. So you can buy more quantity of futures and options and carry out any strategy or do the trading. Also, you can work out many different strategies which are available in options, like bear call spread, something like that. Okay, so thank you for watching and stay on this channel for new updates. Thank you very much. If you want to open an account and get high leverage for trading, you can open account in Alliance Blue, Upstocks and Asta Trade. Follow the links in the description box below to open an account. Please do like the video, comment, share and subscribe the channel.